Hi, it's Angie and I'm really excited to show you the new bracelet I designed. As you can see, it's almost all silver. This bracelet was kind of inspired by the orphans in my jewelry box. I realized I had collected quite a few charms that weren't being used on other bracelets, and most of them I realized had hearts on them. And that's a pretty typical thing because many of Pandora charms have some kind of heart in them. So I'll open this beauty up and show you what I've got on there. So I created this bracelet on the sparkling heart bracelet with the clear heart. I have the hearts silver safety chain, which is your standard threaded safety chain, and I really like this one. It's not too big and the chain is nice and sturdy. The first charm is My Sweet Pet with the little dog paw prints on the other side. I've had this one for a while. I just think it's really cute and represents my doggy. This open work charm is called Ribbons of Love, and it's actually quite stunning, especially under the light. You can see there's a ribbon of CZs across the heart. Very pretty. These are the Cascading Glamour spacers. I don't see these too much in other people's videos, and they're actually pretty versatile and very, very pretty. Here's the Enchanted Heart Tassel, and I usually wear this charm in the center of my open bangle because it's so pretty when it's the feature charm. I have the Chandelier Droplets charm. It's very pretty with CZs all around and a little dangle that's a very tiny heart inside of CZs. And I wasn't using this much because originally I only had one, but now that I have two, it's more usable. I can use it as a spacer on any bracelet. I have the Braided Clips. This is a new charm from the fall collection and it's called Keys of Love. I think it's a really gorgeous charm and I haven't heard anyone talk about it yet. It's got 4 little keys that spell out the word love, and each one has a different colored CZ on it and a very pretty bail at the top with little dots on the side. The reason I bought this was because I think it's going to be one of those charms that I would regret not getting, and later on when it's no longer available I'd probably be kicking myself for not getting it. So I did want to grab it, and I'm so happy I did because I think it's really, really sweet. Next we have Birthday Cake. And this is an older charm. I'm not even sure it's available anymore. And I had always wanted it, but never kind of got it as a gift. So I eventually just ordered it and got it myself because it's one of those older, very detailed silver charms, nice and chunky. And it's so beautiful with the little roses all the way around and the little cake stand and the scalloped edges. And it says happy on one side and birthday on the other side. I think that's just another one of those great classic Pandora charms. Next I have the Sparkling Heart Spacer, which is just a row of clear CZ hearts. And the centerpiece of this bracelet is the Iridescent white glass charm. This just came out, and for Murano it's just gorgeous with these side panels of hearts in silver. Really different. And when you get it in the right light, it just sparkles and twinkles and it's absolutely gorgeous. We have another spacer, and then Galaxy in clear. These are wonderful charms that can work on so many different bracelets. Next, another new release is the Regal Key Pendant, and obviously this can be used as a necklace too, and I just found it was a little bit small, so I think it works better as a charm in my case. Another Braided Clip, and another Chandelier Droplets. This is one of the first charms I really wanted when I started collecting again, and this is called Lock of Love. Another Cascading Glamour Spacer. This is another charm from the new collection I really wanted to get, and that's Regal Heart. And I end with another puppy charm, the Doghouse, simply the Doghouse, with a little pup in there and a heart on the back. So that is my Love is the Key bracelet. I'm very happy with how this turned out, considering they were charms that I wasn't using on anything else. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing my Love is the Key bracelet using a few old charms and many new charms, all in silver and a little bit of sparkle.